biggest issue with it?
So, as you can hear from this, the car's off the cylinder, it's misfiring. So, this car is actually come from the south of Ireland. It's been to, from what the customers told us, it's been to several garages. It's had ECUs, coil packs, plugs, timing chains, everything fitted to it. To try and solve this misfire, nothing's fixed it. So went ahead and stuck in the car there last week before. I've pretty much confirmed, I'm pretty sure it's either a valve has got damaged, or the valve seat has got damaged through improper valve adjustment, valve clearance adjustment. So yeah, as you can actually see on the VHCS mark, with it being some of my pet hates, is you can actually see down in here, see the red sealer on the tank cover. So anyway, watch our channel, that's a big deal with me. So it's going to get stripped down here, everything's going to be cleaned. We'll pull the head apart and see what we can find. So we just let it get a wee bit more heat into it so we can drain all the fluids out of it. So go and get stuck in.
So what you're seeing here for the video is a very annoyed Michael, who when people put bolts from bathrooms and stuff into their car.
Yeah. There's a reason why I don't wear plugs.
Imagine the plugs in your house, mate, just fucking 13mm bolts. No! Do you do the wiring in your house with a air gun?
I don't touch the wiring because I know dick all about wiring. You can bleep that out. I don't know anything about wiring, so guess what? I don't do wire.
You know about as much as wiring as this guy who put bolts in the bottom of his car.
This bolts in that brace there, yeah. Okay, so that's this pretty much stripped down. We're just about to lift the head off. Then once it's off, we get it to the bench. There's a quick test we can perform on it to see if the valves are holding compression as they should be. And if they're not, then the head will be stripped and it will go off to get the new, possibly new valves, new valve guides, and the new valve seats cut to suit. Let's lift this off and get it on the bench. It's the next day. We're back on the S2000. I'm going to go ahead here and lift the head off, see exactly what the compression issue is in cylinder 4. But before we do that, we'll do another update on the shop. Just all new shelving and stock it's in.
Sweet.
Yep. Okay, so as you can see, all our new shelves, the majority of our modal stock has arrived. We have quite a bit more coming, but I've just heard from modal the other day. It's 3 to 4 weeks away. So all engine oils, top ups, gearbox oil. We'll wait on the modal RBF 700 with all the rest of the brake fluids, hump filters, coolants, K-Pros, and then the rest will come to fill the rest of the shelves. Yeah, that's upstairs. Next the agenda is going to be an open day. It's definitely going to happen. I think me and Mark are just going to have to sit down, work out all the finer details to see exactly how we're going to do it, and then let you guys know when it's going to be. But yeah, definitely.
So it's not going to be a car show?
Yeah, it's not really going to be a car show. It's going to be more an open day. Just let people come in and see the business, and yeah, just a bit of a day out. Maybe have a barbecue. Don't know. We'll discuss the finer details and then come back to usings. In the comments, people have been asking about dyno days, but it is going to happen. We are definitely going to do it. But I think what we'll do is we'll do this open day first, just to sort of. We've never really hosted anything like that before, just to sort of break us in slowly, and then we'll definitely crack on later in the year with the dyno day. So the next thing, we're going to go and get the head off this S2000 and see what story it tells. see the head's off, and initially I was leaning towards it was a damaged valve seat. Now the valve, you can see the cylinder. I think Mark's already showed you it. You can see the cylinder. Obviously, this is one of two things. This is obviously excess fuel from it misfiring, or it's coolant causing the misfire. So both that on cylinder 4, it is considerably cleaner. It has been being artificially cleaned by the misfire. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to strip the head down. I'm going to pull the valves out and inspect the valve seats, and then the head's going to go off to be skimmed. It does look like the head has actually been taken out. I showed you that, Mark. The head's been off before, and it looks like it's covered in emery paper marks, which is sort of worrying me. We'll have to check the block as well to make sure the face of it's straight. But I'm thinking more now, it's possibly a head gasket or a warp in the head that has caused this. Car didn't really show any signs of overheating, but yeah, it's something we'll just have to take on board as we go through more diagnostics. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we're going to get to the bottom of this time. This is several other garages have had this car. As you can see, it's been really poorly put together. So keep the comments coming. Yep, the analytics have been really good. People are loving the content we're putting out there. Yeah. So make sure you're subscribed and give this video a like, but make sure you're subscribed more for the giveaway car. I have a few more videos in the pot coming up for that one, and we'll keep you all posted on the open day. Yep, so we'll keep you posted on the open day, and keep the comments coming, and like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.